At PCI, we have 6 color streams, and those are web presses. We have 3 3900s and 3 6900s, and they run black and white in 150 meters per minute. In 4-color, we do 127 meters per minute. So like every hour and 20 minutes, you're dealing with like 188,000 images on a roll coming off each press. We have 6 presses, so every hour and 20 minutes, imagine 6 full rolls, 50 inches high, 17.5 inches wide, 3-inch cores just coming off these presses nonstop, 7 days a week. We use pigment inks here with all the Canon equipment. We do have dye ink. We do have a screen printer that we do use for a lot of our traditional PCI clients. Most of them have been moved over to Canon, but we still do a lot of work on the screen. It is just as fast as the Canon equipment, 127 meters per minute, and it does beautiful color work. So we kind of break up. I like to do, as a print manager, I like to put my postcards and my pressure seal on that equipment because it's like its own little business and doesn't interfere with the main transactional work that we do on the 20-pound and 24-pound stocks. So those are special stocks. I'll put them on the screen in a different workflow than everything else.